Hi, and welcome back to another Ginger in Japan video. Today we'll be doing a pay dirt review on Goldn Pay Dirt Rich Gold Pay Dirt Eureka bag. I paid $19.99 on Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, so it was free shipping. 1 in 3 bags is a motherlode bag, and a motherlode bag contains up to a ½ gram plus of gold. There's guaranteed gold in each bag, however, no guaranteed weight. Let me get it classified. Stay tuned. All right, we're back, and this is with the plus 10. Not really expecting to find anything in this, which, like I said, you just never know. If there's anybody's pay dirt that you would like me to review, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to try it out. Yep, nothing in the plus 10 as expected. Let's get to the plus 20. All right, we are back, and this is the plus 20. Might find a couple flakes in this, but I'm guessing that most of the gold, if any of the gold, will be found in the minus 20. Now this pay dirt is very clean, and it already came moist. I mean, when I opened the bag, the dirt was already moist. Wasn't dusty at all. A couple colors right up in there. Let me get the colors out, and then we're on to minus 20. Stay tuned. And we're back, and this is the minus 20. I would expect most of the gold to be in this, if there is much more. Like I said, there's guaranteed to be gold in the bag, which we already found, but it doesn't guarantee a certain weight. I said 1 in 3 bags could have up to a ½ gram or more, which I don't foresee me having a mother load unless there is one heck of a gold line in the minus 20. Starting to see some color come out. And there you are. Gold. All right, let me get these out, dry it up, and we'll weigh it. Stay tuned.